Dos uno. Hey guys, we are doing a little bit of a different video today. We flew to Atlanta this week during the whole coronavirus thing.
I have a property in Atlanta that we turn it into an Airbnb. So today we're gonna show you what we did, how we decorated it.
Vivi is the first owner of the house, a brand new house. So when they built the house, they watered down the paint so much that you can literally run your hand across it and wipe the paint off. It was really not very durable paint. So we needed to come and paint the entire house. And we went from white to white.
Yeah, I decided just to paint it the same because white makes the house look like with more light and bigger.
Yeah, one thing that's important for this house, it's a townhouse. So it has houses on either side of it, so only the two little skinny walls can have windows. So there's not a lot of natural light in the house at all. So it's important to keep it light colors, and I think that Vivi did a really good job designing all that.
So I really don't have any experience like with decorations or doing houses, but I really like the farmhouse style, and it's actually pretty cheap to decorate it, so I decided to make it kind of like a farm style house. We're just gonna make a little tour and show you every room, and I hope you like it. We're gonna show you what we did in 1 week.
Ready?
Yeah.
If you look closely here, you can see some of the scratches on the wall. This edging tool is a lifesaver and made the painting go so much faster. So now we're all done painting. We're putting stuff back up on the walls. And remember, karate chopping your pillows on the top helps them look more fluffy. Bueno.
So if you see it, it's super simple because you know it's meant to be for people coming and going. So I just don't want to put a lot of things,
Especially not expensive things, because like most of these are from the dollar store.
Yeah, we went to Ross, dollar store. There's the H&M page that also have like some little stuff like these. So if your house is for like Airbnb or any other short rental term home,
Short-term rental.
Yeah, that. I recommend you to put mirrors because it makes the room look wider. Don't put too many things because you're also gonna have kids and you don't want them like to be breaking, and you don't want to charge them and stuff.
Yeah, and it's hard to keep track of all your stuff. You don't want someone to come steal a decoration that they really liked or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. And here we are painting the master bathroom. It's important to use high gloss or semi-gloss paint to avoid the paint peeling. We got this green paint in the Oops section at Lowe's for really cheap, but it was a little bit too dark, so we lightened it up.
I'm removing the tape and it's not smooth. You see? So I need to fix that. And it's gonna go from looking like this to this. This is the Latin way of picking up stuff. Like this way.
Good job, baby. You're the best Latin woman ever. We got these shelves at Home Depot. We tried to mix up the colors and put a gray one and a white one on the same wall. You look amazing. And this is my wife's super cool, super slick way of folding towels. It actually helps the towels to look a little bit more fancy and gives it kind of a hotel vibe. Makeup wipes.
is that I thought that buying white sheets would solve my problems, but it was not true. Look, they would spill stuff and my sheets turned gray, blue, everything but white. So I went to Ross and I found this really nice, what is this, a quilt? Look, it used to be $60 and I found it for $35, so I think it's pretty good. So I'm going to wash it and I'm going to use it. This is really important, the mattress cover, is it called?
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Yeah, really, I had drunk guests, I had people that eat here.
They vomit on the bed.
And also, you know, we have body oils, so this is really important and it keeps your mattress completely new and spotless. So make sure you get one of these. That I got at the dollar store. I got the vase and then the rocks. Dollar store. Dollar store. Dollar store. Guess where?
So instead of the pink you guys saw us putting in here, we decided to change it to gray. Eating.
Okay, so we have a problem because we have carpet. I always tell to my guests to please remove their shoes before coming upstairs, but they don't do it. Some of them, they do it, but some of them don't. So I put a sign downstairs, but I'm going to put another sign next to the stairs. So I got these in Walmart. And of course, I forgot to get a paper or make the sign or whatever, and we're leaving tomorrow morning. I need to find a solution. So, I bought sheets today, and I'm pretending to use this, to use it as a sign. I don't know how it's gonna look, but let's see.
We shall see.
I can't do this. ¿Qué es esto? Okay, so it didn't work because these scissors were from the dollar store and they didn't cut. So I found these stickers sheets and I'm just gonna pass them to one, and then I'm going to use this as my sign. I hope I don't ruin it because I don't have another one. Look how I wrote, please.
Please remove your shoes.
Upstairs is together or separate?
Together.
Are you sure?
Yep.
And then a happy face so they can know that you're not mad. Ready.
All right. Here is our tour of our little townhouse we have here. All right, let's go. Wait, stop! Before we give you the tour of the house, we want to make sure that you subscribe to us. Not a lot of people are subscribing to us. Just click it now. That's all it takes. Like click, just click. All right, let's go see the house. All right, so we walk in, and here is our entrance.
Welcome.
First thing we have is a bathroom. And you can see the bathroom, but it's got a sink and toilet.
Oh, we need to put a towel there.
Toilet, sink, missing a towel. And as we walk through the house,
remove your shoes. We don't have shoes.
and here we are in our living slash dining slash kitchen. All the stuff you need. If you want to get romantic, we got a little electric fireplace. All right, then over there, my wife did all the decorations here, and I put them on the wall. That's my job, is I'm the putter of things. Got a TV there. It's a smart TV that has Roku in it, so you can have Netflix and Hulu and whatever else you want on it, YouTube.
There we have a patio, but we didn't do anything there, so.
Yeah, we got a little backyard
We're not
area.
ready.
Let's head upstairs.
Please remove your shoes. Remove them.
We did a Nest thermostat so we can control the AC from our home here in LA. Down the hall first, we got 3 bedrooms. This is the gray room.
Closet.
We put a little mirror, decorations, our goodie bag for Airbnb, little snacks and towels and stuff like that. We got some shelves here just so the walls don't look empty. All right, there's a little closet that we put all the towels and sheets and screws and snacks and the dryer's done. Bedroom number dos. This one, I guess, is the green room because we have a green wall that we painted. Got some decorations there, the green wall, chair. It's got its own closet too. The bed here with its goodie basket. Onto the bathroom. Yeah, here's a little shared common bathroom. So we just got that little toilet thing there. Okay, that's a bathroom. All right, and this is the master bedroom. So we got decorations. We did a pink, some more wall shelves. That thing she's holding there says, please remove your makeup before using the bed. Because it's necessary. Here in Atlanta, there's people like to club and stuff like that. Most of the people that rent our house go to the clubs on the weekend. And then they come back here and they'll fall asleep with their makeup on and stain the pillow sheets and the sheets and everything. Sheets, pillowcases and the sheets and everything. So we put a big old mirror here to help make it look a little bit bigger. And then here's the master bathroom, shower, bathtub, his and hers vanity, I think that's what you say. Toilet, and it's got its own closet here, walk-in closet that we have all of our junk in right now. Pretty big closet here. But that's about our house. Alright, so we are back home here in California. We hope that you like our tour of the house and the things that we did, our little process, and some of the tips that we had there for Airbnb.
If you have any comments or any recommendations that you would like to tell us, please comment. I just want to answer a comment that I received. There was a person telling me that it was too simple. I want to remind you that my house in Atlanta is only for Airbnb. Nobody lives there. I'm not going to live there. So that's why I prefer to keep it simple. It's easier to keep it clean. That's why I made it that way.
Yep, that's about it. So, hope you guys liked it. Please click that like button, comment, give us some more ideas, or say, hey, I liked it, or hey, why don't you do this? This is what I do in my Airbnb.
Yeah, so let me know if you have any suggestions. Let me know if you like the house, if you don't like the house, what would you do different? I would like to hear from you.
And if you love us, you will subscribe.
Okay.
All right, we love you guys. Bye. You still have paint in your hair.